Today I am with Henry. Henry is from OceanDAO. Could you introduce yourself to our community of Bitcoin believers, builders, and users?
Hello, my name is Henry, and I lead the APAC dev team for Sui. I'm also one of the main organizers for the Sui Overflow hackathon, and also OceanDAO summit that we're currently at.
So today we are actually at OceanDAO in Athens in the brand new Sui Hub office, and we are very lucky actually that OceanDAO invited the finalists of the Overflow hackathon to meet, build, and advance together. That's right?
Yeah.
Really great opportunity, but maybe we can start a little bit about the Overflow because I think it's a big success. The amount of builders and the amount of projects was going off the charts. How many teams were there?
Sure. I think this year Overflow we had just under 600 teams.
Everyone in Sui. That's great, right? Because Sui is emerging. The size of the network is far away from Ethereum, but 600 on Sui.
Sure.
That's the second hackathon. That's a big success. I call it a big success.
For sure. I think this is the second year we run Overflow. So I think the number of projects increased by a lot. I think over 100% year on year. So yeah, we're very happy with the number and also with the overall quality of these projects as well.
Oh, that's for sure. Yes, not only Sui network advanced, projects advanced. Everything is growing. So tell us more about OceanDAO. What's the mission of OceanDAO? Who's your target?
Yeah, so OceanDAO is basically a 10-day long co-working retreat that's basically targeting the teams that have done well in Sui Overflow. The goal is to kind of deeper these teams engagement with the Sui ecosystem, and also kind of bring them to the next step.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And what does it mean for Bitcoin builders, Bitcoin believers, Bitcoin finance believers?
Yeah, of course. I think BTC and BTCFi is one of our main priorities currently, and our DeFi track specifically. We were looking for projects that were working with BTC or BTCFi, and of course we were able to have really good BTC project this year, such as Native, to be a part of Overflow, and of course our goal now is to help these projects grow and scale so they can become real companies.
So we are very glad for the opportunity and to be here to energize with other teams. That's a really great idea, and I was surprised when we got an invite by Henry, by the organizers to come here, build the relationship, build the partnerships, and actually this is happening. So believers activation is really growing. Today, ICA launched the TGE. Today, the new technical advancement on Sui actually is going to the mainnet, and obviously this is something that we were waiting for a long time. Have you been following ICA?
Yeah, I've been following. I met the team, I think about a year ago. Yeah, and I've seen, them becoming, just growing their project and their vision on Sui.
Yes.
So it's really cool to see them, hit a pretty big milestone.
So with ICA actually, yes, part of the ICA ecosystem, we are the main project. Native is the main project on ICA. We've been discussing internally, yes, on the foundation level, on other levels, yes, to really support the Sui ecosystem. Yes, so have this reciprocal collaboration. Where we really built the both of ICA side and Native side, and obviously Sui side, yes, this very strong ecosystem. Our target, yes, it's obviously Bitcoin finance, ICA target is, the foundations of interoperability in general. Sui, ecosystem execution, everything, right? I really believe that, this is the right foundations, yes, that we are bringing together. I see a lot of opportunities, and I'm looking forward for OceanDAO next steps. Maybe can you share anything like what's for you? What's your vision of the OceanDAO? How do you see it? Like what's next?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, like generally speaking, we want to provide like long-term support for the teams that come into the ecosystem through like Sui Overflow.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll be launching a series of like initiatives that are aimed toward that. Yeah.
And Bitcoin is part of those priorities.
I mean, I think Bitcoin is just, to me at least, it just symbolizes kind of like a long-term like long-term thinking, a long-term like investment into like crypto, and that's kind of like what we want to do with like OceanDAO and like Overflow as well. Especially kind of our goal for like OceanDAO is to make it like an annual thing. So so we'll have it once a year at least, and our goal is for some of the current like teams, for instance, you guys will be considered a part of the inaugural cohort, and we want these teams to kind of like come back in the following years and to kind of share their like experiences, so that these teams who are relatively new in the current year, they can become like the more like mature, like more mentors
and leaders for the next year,
and just kind of pass down this kind of like experience, and also like kind of this like ecosystem core, like a core of like ecosystem builders through this program.
I'm really looking forward for that, because this aligns perfectly with our mission. Native mission is to provide Web3 native way to use Bitcoin in DeFi and social apps, but also the believers, the movement that we initiated to create the best ecosystem where builders can build applications powered by Bitcoin,
right,
and users to use them in a seamless way without compromising on security and decentralization. And I really believe that our tech is the best one for that, and Sui ecosystem is have everything to really succeed.
Nice. Yeah, and also thank you guys for being a part of the the inaugural cohort,
Okay.
and helping us grow and like kind of like create this program as well. Yeah.
Okay. That's it. So believers, thank you for listening us, and build on Sui, build on native.
All right. Thank you. Bye bye.